Welcome to this tutorial on how to use eToro Stocks, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the platform and start investing in stocks. eToro is a social trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, commodities, and currencies, among other assets. To get started, you need to create an account on the eToro platform, which can be done by providing basic personal and financial information. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds to start investing. eToro offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily search for and select the stocks you want to invest in. The platform offers a watchlist feature, where you can add stocks you are interested in and track their performance. You can also use the newsfeed to stay updated on market news and trends. When you are ready to invest, simply click on the stock you want to buy, select the amount you want to invest, and confirm the transaction. One of the unique features of eToro is its social trading aspect, which allows you to see what other investors are doing in real time. You can follow and copy the trades of experienced investors, or share your own trading strategies with others. This feature can be a great way to learn from others and get inspiration for your own investment decisions. It is essential to set a budget and stick to it, as investing in stocks always carries some level of risk. eToro offers a range of risk management tools, including stop-loss orders and take-profit orders, to help you manage your risk. You should also diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different stocks and assets to minimize your exposure to any one particular market. To get the most out of eToro, it is crucial to stay informed and up to date on market trends and news. The platform offers a range of educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis, to help you improve your trading skills. By following these steps and best practices, you can use eToro Stocks to start building a successful investment portfolio and achieving your financial goals.